Hey, Danny here, and I want my vlog, and what you're looking at is my Affirm account. I have $80 available, but I was gonna buy a water pump through Advance, and the water pump's like 80 bucks. So I put in 80, and it came back and said your account has to be at least 100 to get a credit card. So keep that in mind when you are working with Affirm. It may say that you're pre-qualified for a certain amount, but you're not going to be able to use it if it's not over a certain amount. Walmart was 140, and now all of a sudden Walmart will not take they will not punch in credit card numbers. They want a barcode to scan. Now you'll be able to go online and buy stuff online and pick it up or have it sent to you that way, but you cannot no longer have an open credit card through Affirm to go through Walmart. So keep that in mind. This was online. As you can see, it's advanced. It was an online order. Nice thing about online orders with Advance is they'll give you a 20% discount on your orders. So just another adventure with Affirm. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And we'll catch you on the next Crosby's Vlogs.